Hey, good morning. This is Dave with Phototropics, and I got my buddy here, Chuck, another droner. Today, we're going to fly an automated mission, and Chuck's going to be getting his certification here, whether he likes it or not. And we were going to use actually my tablet so that we can continue to film, and because Chuck's a little older, the old eyes aren't what they used to be. No, no, it's not. There you go. There's the eyes. So, just to let you know and dissuade any fears that the FAA does allow an uncertified pilot to be able to fly the drone as long as there's a remote pilot in control that is certified who can in effect slap the controller out of your hands. And we're going to have our safety vest on. And what I found is that it helps people realize that you are at work. You're not just fiddling around flying a drone just for aggravation's sake or whatever. They're not spying on their girlfriend or anything.
Professional.
Yeah. Well, at least it looks professional. I don't know if this looks professional, but this looks professional. And so we're going to be taking off here shortly. We're not going to be able to share the actual footage of what is captured because that belongs to our client. So just again, sometimes your client will ask you to do stuff like wearing safety gear, and we're not actually going to be in an area that's dangerous. We're going to be outside of their actual area because guess what? We got a drone and we don't have to stand underneath it. And it's usually better so that we can see what we're doing to be at a distance. In this particular case, I've flown this one before. It's real easy. It's actually short, and you can see because here in Florida there are no mountains, except for the mountains we did the other day, which were just a pile of dirt. So
created.
Yeah, exactly. So as long as it doesn't interfere with safety and it doesn't interfere with your ability to do your job, go ahead and accept what they request of you. Otherwise, then you might need to talk to them and have Chuck come over and rough them up a little bit. So. Okay, so we got another successful mission, nothing destroyed, everything's together. So there you go, Chuck. See, he flew today. And, it's just kind of you don't always have to have somebody to fly with. I'm not saying that I'm the most experienced person, but I am a little bit more experienced than he is. But if you need somebody to fly with, you can, if you got a buddy or if there's somebody like a Facebook group, there's a lot of Facebook groups out there. Try and find somebody locally and say, hey, do you do professional stuff? Do you do autonomous flights and stuff? So if you want to kind of get a feel for it, it's always good to be able to just put your hands on it and see how it goes, or at least watch how somebody else does it. So what do you think, Chuck?
I think I did a good job.
It did awesome, yeah.
Right.
We might even get a sandwich for it. All right, we'll see y'all later.